So what came about was I had to find ways to make this more feasible by finding unusual flavors. So that's why we came about with here, like basil. And one of the new ones we came out with is nuts and roses. That's rose with pistachio. And we also have a lot of other flavors here that kids will like and kids at heart will like. Well, one, more quality is given here, more attention is given here than the commercial ones. The creaminess is much better than the ones from the grocery. And also the flavors that we chose to make into an ice cream makes it very different from the normal ones that you will find.
Made different to make you different.